All right, in this lesson, we'll be taking a look at how to insert, select, delete, and move data in a spreadsheet application like Excel. Now, first, we'll be discussing how to insert text into a spreadsheet application or how to enter text in a worksheet. Now, to do that, select the cell in which you want to enter your data. Begin entering your data. Assuming I want to type 78, I type 78. Now, when I finish typing, or whenever you finish an entry in a cell, press enter to exit from that cell and move to the next cell. In this lesson, we'll be taking a look at how to select a text. Now, to do that, now there are several ways of selecting a text in a spreadsheet application. Now, to select cell B3, now you make sure you place the mouse cursor right in the middle of the cell. Now, note this, when you place it at the edges of the cell, like around the border, you are just moving the cell, you are not selecting it. This is moving. I'm moving the cell to a different location. So assuming this has, let's say, 6 in it or 5 in it. Now clicking on the edges and dragging it around moves the cell. It doesn't select it. Right now, to be able to select the cell, place the mouse cursor right in the middle of the cell. Now, can you notice the kind of cursor you are seeing on your screen? Right, so click and drag to the entire cells you want to select is selected. Now let's discuss how to delete a cell in a spreadsheet application. Now, to be able to do that, select the cell, right click on it, select delete. Now, this is the window that appears, or the dialog box that appears whenever you are deleting a cell. When this appears, this is what you are supposed to do. Entire column, this deletes the entire column. So take note of that. Entire row, delete that row. Entire column, delete that entire column. Now, if you want to shift, let's say shift the cells to the left, you select shift cells left. Now, if you want to shift the cells to the top, you select shift cells up. So let's take a look at how to copy cells in Excel. Assuming I want to copy from cell A1 to B10, I would have to select from cell A1 right to B10. Right click on it and then click copy. Now I've transferred it to the clipboard. As usual, you know the clipboard is an area where copied or cut text resides, right? Now let's assume that I want to paste it here. Now I have to select that area, right click on paste. Now as you can see, I have a duplicate of the text at a different location. So that's how we use the copy and paste command in Excel. Now take note, you can also cut and paste as well, but now they are different. Cut moves the text, but now copy creates a duplicate. So if I should cut this, right click, select all first, right click on cut, and then move to a different location, right click on paste. As you can see, it has moved the entire text to a different location. So take note of the difference between copy and cut command.